Hi, Dave Roscoe here. It is Monday, May 12th, 2025, and wow, the Pi coin hit $1.60 overnight. When I went to bed, it was at around $1.20. Maybe I should have stayed asleep because it's gone back down since then. But you know what? It's still looking pretty darn good compared to this time about May 8th. We'll talk about that in a bit. I sent out a little cheeky taunt to all the haters on YouTube last night. I made a little 16-second short asking where all the haters went to and why it was suddenly quiet. You know what? They're not shy about letting me know what they think about the Pi network and the Pi coin. I think turnaround is fair play. This morning, I was on a live stream on TikTok with all of the crypto Wolfpack gang, and that was fun. You guys should join us there sometime. By the way, historically, I haven't been much of a social media guy. I like YouTube format, but I have since branched out a little bit. So if you want to join me, I am on TikTok. You can find me at dave.roscoe. And you can tell it's me because my profile picture is MrGrynch. Check me out. Follow me there if you can. We're going to get to the metrics in just a minute. But first, I want to show you this. Let me tell you about my new project, the Crypto Wolfpack. Myself, Milkshake Maddie, Bullish Babe, and Cosmic Crypto have banded together to provide the best crypto advice out there. We've got on-demand video trading courses, daily live drop-ins where you can get your questions answered live, an in-house chart analyst where you can learn to read charts live from a real expert, weekly live podcasts, automatic whale wallet alerts, new coin listing alerts on all major exchanges, a tools section with a fear and greed index, and crypto heat map. A daily Wheel of Fortune where you can spin to win prizes. Many out there charge $200 or more for far less content. The Crypto Wolfpack offers all of this for only $24.99 per month. Don't wait. Join the pack today. I really hope you'll consider joining the pack. We're currently running a special. You can get 2 months at 25% off. The promo code is Live25, and you can find it in the description, as well as the link to the Crypto Wolfpack on WAP. I hope to see you there. The circulating supply is 7.08 billion Pi, and migrations started early this morning once again. I'm really liking this new cadence. I'm seeing migrations happening on the weekends, and I'm seeing migrations starting early in the morning, which means that they have switched to more of an automated process. And that's good because that means they can migrate more people. And we need more people getting migrated. The last time I checked, there was already 5.8 million Pi migrated. And admittedly, that was a few hours ago. And that represents 38.8 thousand user accounts. It is now quite a bit more. There is 27.4 million Pi in the Pi migration wallet, and the migrated unlocked rewards are at 1.92 billion Pi, with 4.1 million Pi unlocked in the last 24 hours, and now free to be traded on the open markets. Looking at the price action, the Pi coin is currently at $1.18. Can you believe it? That's up 7.01% from this time 24 hours ago, but still lower than it was when I went to bed. It touched $1.60. Holy cow. Just imagine what this is going to look like on May 14th after the ecosystem announcement, which I expect to be a big deal, and the Consensus 2025 conference. Right now, things are looking pretty darn good for us. The market cap is at $8.47 billion, which is up 7.98%. And let's take a look at the cryptocurrency rankings because Pi is back in the top spots, currently at number 18 overall. And Forbes magazine today listed the Pi coin as one of its trending tokens. So that's good news too. The daily trading volume is at $2.01 billion, and that's up 63.93%. Now, as you can see here, we did get up to, let me switch to candle view. As you can see, we got up to $1.61, and then we had a couple of dips here. It opened at 148, got as low as 130, and then we had another big dip here, and that got as low as 92 cents. But you can see right here that that wick went all the way down there and pushed up, and then the next candle pushed up green, and then it's been consolidating and slowly pushing up. Now, these candles here tend to indicate uncertainty, which is understandable with the economic news that came out today, the tentative trade deals, which sound a little, maybe they are, maybe they aren't, I don't know. I think we were expecting a little more news that would have been positive, but as of right now, the cryptos are kind of mixed, and this is to be expected. But you know what? I'll take it. This is looking really good. And the Pi coin deserves to have a little bit of sunshine right now. This article in Crypto Times says Pi network price soars 35% to $1.29 in the last 24 hours. The crypto market has been shocked by the dramatic 35% surge of Pi network, which managed to recoup the $1 level and peak at $1.29. As a result of the rally, Pi's total market value surpassed $8 billion, surpassing Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, according to CoinMarketCap. Underlying this surge is a wave of large coin movements by whales. One whale moved 70 million Pi coin off exchanges, resulting in the first surge, and another 20 million Pi were moved from OKX shortly after. Now, this is what I was talking about yesterday, about that mysterious wallet that we assume is the Pi core team buying back coin, but it's really unsubstantiated, and a lot of things about it just kind of don't make sense, but we don't know what to make of it. But in either case, a large amount of Pi came off the market, which was good considering how much is going onto it every single day. Due to these massive transfers, retail interest skyrocketed, sending trading volumes over $1 billion, a 278% increase in activity. Pi coin, on the other hand, appreciated greatly, while Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash only increased moderately, highlighting Pi's extraordinary growth. Pi has jumped to the 14th rank following the surge, and if this momentum continues, it can even enter the top 10 ranking by CoinMarketCap. Traders are focusing on the mid-May consensus summit because it could become a pivotal point for launching a long-term Pi rally. In turn, the Pi core team is aggressively buying Pi from the exchanges to help stabilize the price following the latest token distribution. That remains to be seen. An expectation of a major announcement on May 14th is driving up investor excitement. Now that I agree with. I'm very excited to hear what's coming tomorrow. I really hope it is not an exchange listing. That is not an ecosystem event. I'm hoping that what they announce will include dApps and a big step towards decentralization. We'll see. Maybe even a burn mechanism. There are rumors flying around about a potential Binance listing triggered by so-called test transactions. I've kind of debunked those test transactions, but who knows, maybe there's something to it. While fundamentals are strong and investor confidence increases, Pi coin's momentum continues unabated. That's the kind of good news we want to hear about our beloved coin. So that's all I've got for today. I expect that the news is going to be coming fast and furious over the remainder of this week. So you can be sure that if anything breaks, I'll be on here to let you know. But until then, don't panic. Rejoice. And remember, the success of the Pi Network begins with you. Pi to the moon. Peace.